Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward messages in Slack to share context and keep your team aligned without retyping information. Step 1. Use the forward shortcut. Slack has a built-in feature specifically for moving messages between conversations with just a couple of clicks. Hover your mouse over the message you want to share and click the forward message icon, which looks like a curved arrow. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply click on the message and press the F key. This is the fastest way to trigger the forwarding menu in the 2026 desktop app. On mobile, tap and hold the message, then select Forward Message from the pop-up menu. Step 2. Choose your destination. Once the forwarding window opens, you need to decide where this information needs to go. In the search bar, type the name of the channel or person you want to forward the message to. You can forward a single message to multiple destinations at once. This is perfect for sharing a client update or a technical bug report across several project channels simultaneously. Step 3. Add context and send. A forwarded message is much more effective when your team knows why you are sharing it. Type an optional note in the message field above the original message. This note appears right above the original message, allowing you to add instructions or highlights. Once you're ready, click the forward button or the paper airplane icon on mobile. The original message will appear as a snippet in the new conversation, complete with the original sender's name and a timestamp for full transparency. And that's pretty much it. To forward a message in 2026, hover over it and click the forward icon or press F, select your destination channel or DM, and add an optional note before hitting send. This keeps the original formatting and sender details intact while making the information accessible to new people. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.